Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janelle. And this week I asked you guys on Instagram what embroidery design I should do on these pair of shorts. So we're gonna look at it right now, even though I already know what I kind of want to do. But we're just gonna see what you guys said and what you're thinking that we should do. Going through all the stories. So actually right now it is 50-50. So I'll come show you this. Right now, you can see it is 50-50 of the design. So I think I'm gonna do something in the middle, if I can sit on this chair properly. So what I was thinking, I asked you between a cactus and a leaf design, and I was thinking as I was going through this and making the design, and I realized the cactus might not look the nicest on the back of shorts. I was like, I don't know how this would really work. And then the leaf design, someone else already did it, so I wanted to create something different. So I'm gonna kind of do the leaf design because it's 50-50, and I honestly think it's just gonna be a little bit easier because I've never used this tool before and I've been trying to test it out, but we're gonna see how well this actually works in a few moments. But I think I'm gonna go with kind of like a palm tree leaf, kind of like going out and doing it from the bottom. Because originally I was gonna do like on the top of the little flap of the shorts, but then I realized obviously the pocket's not gonna work after if I do that. And then it's also hard to strap it down just because I have only a big loop. I don't have any small ones. So that wasn't gonna work out. So we might have to do that in the future. So now I'm gonna do the design down here, and I'm gonna do a palm leaf type thing. So I'm gonna draw out that design and then we're gonna get started. Ignore this, that is from my past design that I did not want to do anymore, and that's for the chalk. Okay, so now we're going to attempt this. So the first step it says to do is put it through. Oh, that didn't work. So you have to tighten it so it just didn't move. Maybe because the fabric's so thick. Let's try in a spot where it's not a lot of it. So we'll punch it through. Oh, it'll fail. Maybe if I just hold it down. There we go. And then you come through the back side and we're gonna pull that through. And that's a lot, so we're gonna make that a little shorter. There we go. And then we'll just hold, you can see that. Hold that down and bring it back through. And then you just start punching.
It might look like that this is working out, but it never did. It was so hard to work with and it was not making the design. And I got like stuck. I was like, I don't know what to do when I get to one spot and I had to like go backwards. It did not work. And then it just started like peeling out and it was just a disaster.
Is that even looking like anything? So I think we came to the result of it does not work very well. It just comes out and now the bottom of my shorts are very holy and ruined. I think you realize that this DIY was a fail and this does not work the way that I thought it was going to work, which I'm a little upset about because I totally thought that it was like an embroidery pen and that's what it tells me on Amazon, and it did not work like that. But after a little more research and looking up some more YouTube videos, I found out that this actually is, as it is called, I was saying before, like a punch needle. It's for a completely different type of embroidery that you obviously don't do what I'm trying to do with. So the past way I've been doing it by hand, I guess, is the way that you're supposed to be doing it. Which does suck because it takes so long to do, and I really thought these shorts would look cute with like a palm leaf on it, so I might do it by hand. This is for something completely different. It's punch needle for a completely different type of embroidery, which is here. I'm gonna put like a little photo of it. And I guess you need a certain type of fabric for it as well that obviously is not these shorts. So that did not turn out. So if you're looking to use this pen for exactly what I was just trying to do, you are going to be mistaken and save your $20 and the money that you're gonna wreck your shorts with. So don't do it. Just do it by hand, the old-fashioned way. And that is my rant. Now my shorts have a big hole on them, so we're gonna turn this DIY around and we're gonna put a patch on this bad boy and fix it up, because I hate ruining things. Like, I spent money on these shorts. I don't want to throw them out. We have a rose that came with this kit, and they probably give you this patch for this reason. When you screw up and it doesn't work the way you want it to, they give you a patch to fix everything. And I've decided that none of these patches really work, so I'm gonna scrap that idea. And instead, I found this like fabric. It has little roses on it. So we're gonna use this instead and create a little template for the back pocket. And then we're gonna just sew that on by hand and not use any tools, because that does not work. We all know that. And we're gonna sew this on to the back and make a little kind of like rose pocket on the back, because I just think it'll look a little cuter than doing the patch and just like kind of putting it on there. It's just in a weird spot. It just doesn't work. So we're gonna do that. Okay, and then we have our little fabric. So we're gonna need some pins. This is the silver one. Okay, so pins. And we're just gonna pin it down. So there we have it. Now it's all pinned down. And lastly, we just need to sew it around the edges. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back. I'm back and I sewed on the fabric to the shorts, and I think it is a lot cuter now. It's just nice not having a hole in the butt of your shorts. So that is good. I'm glad that it went from a DIY fail to success. But let me know in the comments below if you've tried this punch tool before and if it worked for you. So let me know in the comments below about that. And as always, please make sure you like this video and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as I'm back every week with more videos. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.